MLP Sprinkles here, and I'm bringing you a room tour now. It's going to be quite different because you're not going to see my My Little Pony collection. Well, you will, but it's not going to be just that. It's going to be my whole room. So I think we should get started, and one thing, this video will get hardly any views. Okay? You can tell that. You just tell that. Okay, so I'm going to start at the bottom of my door. You got this. A random pony I drew with a choker. I'm wearing one right now, but I'm not going to show you because this whole video is about my room. And I'm not part of my room. Well, I am, but still. So I think this used to be my old OC or something because I have earrings like that. So, yeah. He's holding up a cute little flower. So here's two colouring ins I did of a cat, a unicat, and a unicorn. This is my swimming bag I got from Adidas. How do you pronounce it? I think it's Adidas. Yeah, it's Adidas. I don't know. Yeah, I got that from there. And here I rushed this story. Well, it's not really rushed, but I did it before I went to school, so I'm actually kind of proud of that because it's like straight before I went to school or something. So yeah. Oh, why am my voice going up? Funny. Okay. Then I got this main 6 coloring in. I colored it in. What do you expect? Out here I have my class's ponies, which I might have shown you in another video, like either a previous video. This is my favourite one. This is my favourite. I'm not going to show you all that right now. I'm not going to tell you all the names because I haven't made up all the names except my 6. Up here says MLP Sprinkles Room. And you're going to be going at that today. Here is a My Little Pony bag. This is what I got from school. Someone came, like there's loads of people coming to our class now. You have to learn about it, and this one was about electricity or something. Here is my, I think it's sheep, counting sheep, yeah, it's my dressing gown. And I got a My Little Pony one. Of course, what do you expect? Okay, and on my door handle I have got a Twilight Sparkle sticker. If you're interested, there's a light. That's not my room. This is all in my corridor. This is my corridor. It's kind of messy because I messed it up with that trolley. But anyways, let's go in my bedroom. Okay. So the first thing you see when you walk into my bedroom is the back of my door. So we've got this little like pink bag. I don't know what you call this, a handbag? I don't know, but I sometimes use it. Like when I play with my cousin, like, I don't know. Yeah, playing with my cousin means Goldie. Yeah. My Goldie, oh my god. Goldie is on Pop Jam. I don't really know how to pronounce her name on that. I'm really sorry, Goldie. I'm really bad. I feel really bad. Anyways, my 2 baseball caps. One is a butterfly one. This is my mum's one that came from Florida when my mum went there, and yeah, it fits me. And it's like the size for an adult, so it's kind of weird. There's some bags I dumped behind here. Yeah, a big bag I used yesterday to go to the beach. This is my lunch bag thing. I brought it. I really wanted it. One time I got mad because I really wanted to buy it, but couldn't. Yeah. Here. This is a little handbag again. My old Rainbow Rush helmet. I'm so sad I can't wear it. I was at school one day, and like when I went to pick it up from school, I just realized that like half of the thread like came off of it, and I'm like, why does this have to happen? And now it slips off my head, so I got a new one. It actually lights up. I'm looking through the camera, that's why it doesn't show it directly where it is. And then it flashes. Yeah. And then here we have my rug, my My Little Pony rug, and a Hello Kitty carpet. And when Goldie was young, she loved Hello Kitty, so she would love this. And here we have some Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. I got 2 Rowdy Jeffersons. That was not mine, that's the library's. Wait, let me see what that says. Oh yeah, so it said my name, but it says MLP Sprinkles. That's a bookmark I use for one of them. So this is the one I brought. It's the newest Rowdy Jefferson book. So, Diary of an Awesome Friendly Adventure. And then we got the one from the library, Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid. It's really funny, so I recommend that book for you guys. I seriously recommend it. Wait, I'm touching the book. So I got some random sleep masks under here. Got a Num Nums one and this one. Yeah. Oh wait, this gone. Here are all the usual ones. So I got Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Ugly Truth, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Lost Straw, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dog Days, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Roger Rules, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the first ever one. Got some Roald Dahl books down here, and a Unicorn Academy, which came from a magazine, and My Secret Unicorn, and I bought it at school fair. Basically, most of the stuff here is like from a school fair, not all of it though. And then we cleared some space. I don't know why we did this, but yeah, so here's some random things I did, and it's got Fluttershy on it. And then we got this Diary of a Wimpy Kid from wait, what was it called? McDonald's. I completely forgot where I got it from. It wasn't latest, so it was like old or something. This one's old. I think I got that when I was 6. So now I'm 8, so you know. I'm 8 now. I think I got this when I was 6 or something, I don't know. Oh no, I put it wrong way, whatever. And this one, Miraculous Evergrown Tortoise. I think it's called SEO Trot. Yes, SEO Trot. And up here, I've got this shower that I found in a piece of sand. This Celestia purse. Another MLP purse that I colored it. My shell's falling. I was worried that was going to happen. And my thing, I don't know. I used to put rocks in it. So, yeah. This mirror that I decorated. It's My Little Pony, because if you look, there's little ponies inside. Oh my god. See me holding my iPad right now. Look. See me holding my iPad. This is what I record with my iPad. And under here, we've got a lot of MLP stuff. Like, mostly they're magazines, but most of them are like coloring books and stuff. So, yeah, this bit's kind of a mess. So. Oh, crap. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, thanks, Helmet. Really needed that while I was recording. Thanks. Okay, guys, so this is my drawer. This one's got vests. This one got pajamas. This one, I think, I don't know, has got... Oh yeah, I think, let's open it and see. Oh yeah, my tights for school. They're black, I think. Ugh, can't see right. There's socks here, but you do not want to see what's in that one. Seriously. So I got this cute little sensor thing on it. Like, you have to sense stuff on it. I don't know what it is, but you know. I got my cute little cat Twisty pet. A flashlight keyring. Twilight plaits. Wait, you can't see it, guys. It's really bad recording like this. some medals I won from a reading challenge. There's one I'm doing right now, but I feel bad because I'm not actually reading. Here is me as a pony, coloured on this. So yeah, it's coloured on this. So yeah, I'm gonna. It's just this door up here. And now I've got my School of Friendship with all my pony life on it. Really hope this is all my pony life. Because, you know, I want to show you a little bit. And my DJ Pond 3 Guardians of Harmony. Celestia statue. Guardians of Harmony. Why did I say statue? The custom of me is a pony and Starlight Glimmer brushable. And my cute little cat sleeping in a basket. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, now we're on to my bed. So, I changed my bed style a bit today. So, got my things on here. I put my Beanie Boos here. So, on my bed, I got Faye, Dexter, Barley, Chewy, Spirit. It has a Slush. I put this on. So, now I call him Super Cycling Slush. Because Super Cycling Man came to our school. I was in year 2, I think. I think he came when I was in year 2 or something. I call this one Nuthead, which I announced when I went to the beach. Here I've got my MLP pajamas. Very, very, very lovely. Okay, why do I keep doing that? My Little Pony handbag. I think there's something in it. Yeah, I've got a Rarity notepad in here. Very small. My slap bracelet. I don't really use it. I don't know why, but it's kind of weird that I don't use it. But anyways, here, if you're there's some stickers here. If you're wondering what's down there, it's just a load of stuff I keep. There's a baby toys on there. Yeah, I keep them dumping stuff, and I don't know why. Anyways, a Rainbow Dash light, Rainbow Dash key ring. Not it. Stop. Sunglasses case with some sunglasses in it, but I've got MLP ones now, so yeah. This little thing I made. As you know, all around my room I got posters. Yes, reading shadows. Oh my god, luckily it was blurred because it said my name. I've got a paper chain. I'm making a new one in the video. The clock. The unicorn clock that I decorated. And this is what my friend gave me, so yeah. That, I don't know what to call it. Hugs the monkeys up here. Yeah. And then, my curtains. I can't actually show you outside because it's someone else's house, you know. You see my feet though. Here I've got some drawings. Either my main six or me as a pony. So here we got Rainbow, Lily. Not gonna say their real names because I don't know if I can or something. Those are me as a pony. Me. Look. This is when I was young and I find it amazing. I'm being sarcastic, okay? It doesn't look that great. Well, maybe the ombre bit does, but you know. We'll just sit down over here. So my my main six. Me as a pony. Yes, look. Read this. Yes, I can't actually read all of this because the video is quite long. The apple sign and me as a pony. This you know what the drill, you know. My radio station. The time. I don't know. Oh, wait, I'll tell you guys. 1:25 p.m. So I'm actually recording really early. Sugar Bell custom. That's when I got into doing custom. So, you know, yeah. Songquest Serenade. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Yeah. Wait, okay. You can stop now. I really hope that doesn't make it go on forever. Okay, awesome. Anyways, we got that there and some random stuff behind this. So yeah. Cheese sandwich fell off it. So I'm really bad at balancing this. I don't know. There's Starlight Glimmer. This for my radio station. Otherwise, it won't work. And I have to place it on my radio. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you my windows open. Okay, that's all I'm gonna show you. My cement books and this bin. All that. Okay, we basically finished the room for now. The shelf of glory because it got my little pony on it. I love this shelf. I don't know why. There we got some stuff up here. These guys and my lamp, my beautiful lamp, is plain. It's plain. All my MLP accessories and ponies in here, like cheap ones from a magazine here. Some stickers, more stickers. Let's see what's in this one. Oh yeah, I got some certificates stuff in here. Like, those are random stuff. So. Ah, it's falling out of my hand. Yeah, today's Thursday, so I'm recording on a Thursday. Yeah, we got this thing here, and some shopping accessories. And in here we just got some more random stuff. Guys, down here is some boring stuff, like not a lot to look at. Yeah, this is my end of my bed, so. Guys, oh my god, I forgot to show you all my books down here. What is wrong with me? So I got a little Henry Hoover. My piggy bank. It looks better on the other side. So you can see right now. We got Tiger. I got Bootsy. I love Bootsy. A flat ball. Yay, flat balls. I'm going to squish it down for you guys. I'm going to squish it down. See? Okay. And then here we got Flam, and as you can see, my Pony Life accessories are in it. Ah, flat ball, please move. Then we got some more accessories and a little My Little Pony Cutie Mark book. There's some My Little Pony pens. All my books are here. I'm gonna rush now because I've got like probably like 5 more minutes to record, so you know. And then, as you know, around my whole room there's posters. Oh my god, I'm dizzy now. I just spun around. This is on my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. I'm going to show you it. The glory of our wardrobe. A wardrobe reveal, guys. Here's the wardrobe reveal. Why did you even say it was a wardrobe reveal? Okay, anyways. Yeah, I got this. So yeah. It's not very interesting, the other drawers, so not true, but okay guys, I'm gonna charge it to me now. Oh my god, what's going on? I don't be able to see me. Oh, can you? Yeah. What am I doing? I'm gonna be wearing this choker probably like every day now. So, and, oh my god, wait, I'm getting it. Oh yeah, that's on my ceiling. It's my ceiling. Like those little planets you can see behind that. So guys, I'm gonna start the video now. Why do I keep doing that? Nah. Why do I keep saying LOL on Pop Jam? Oh my god. Please just stay the way I get you. Yeah, I'm gonna give the people who follow me on Pop Jam a shout out. Why do I keep doing that? Guys, I think I'm gonna have to go now. I think my lunch is almost ready. That's mad. I'm gonna stay here for a couple of minutes. So yeah. There's not a lot to talk about, so you know. Oh yeah, I collected some shells at the beach, and the water was like clear there. I'm gonna tell you the beach I went to. South End. Like, it was a lot of far miles from where I live. So no, I live in England. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So we went to like the corner of England, and don't think I like went to the corner of England and then I fell down off this cliff. I didn't, because I'm still here. And I woke up at 8, and I usually wake up like 6 or something. It's really weird the way I wake up really 8. Okay guys, I'm gonna go now. Why? I'm gonna go now. Yeah, because there's not a lot to talk about and I'm running out of time. So guys, I'll see you in the next video I upload. So bye. I should have done a face reveal like when I started my channel, or a couple of days after I started my channel. Guys, I'm gonna go now. Bye.